All right, good morning, everybody. My name is Anthony Howard. I did my practicum this semester with Weather Vision. I'm gonna start with the green room. The green room is set up. It has 3 camera angles. It's shot at center camera, then left camera, right camera, and that's when they do their weather broadcast. They fill in the background for whatever city they have to do. Because, like Tatiana said earlier, they do over 80 webcasts for over 200. Well, they actually have like 200 clients, but they do it for all over the nation. They do Toledo, all different places. And that's where they shoot it at. And you go to the next one. And that's the control room. And right there you see Brandon Boucher. And he's the main, he's a primary meteorologist there. And he's editing in this first shot here. And you have James Stanley, who is his assistant meteorologist. And he's doing, they have to type in their transcripts. They do the captions, so they have to put in their own captions, and right there is where you're doing the captions. And there's the switchboard, which my internship, because I want to be a production major, I'm a production major. They had me doing directing and cues, so I had to cue all the screens and the screen changes and all that. I did all that directing. And that's the switchboard. And in conclusion, I learned also that the weather is not simple to put together because, like earlier, they don't use a script. They go out there, they look at the forecast, they do the weather, then they do it off the top of their head. They have to speak fluently, they have to speak clearly, not too fast. They have to rush you because they only have 30 seconds, 60 minutes, 30-second slots, a minute slots, and sometimes they have go to a 2-minute or a free slot, but it's still really never more than 3 minutes. And so they have to always make sure they stay in the time slot and make sure they're understood. And Weather Vision's main internship was my freshman. And that's just my Tumblr where I posted all my stuff this semester.